February 1st. Took a month for the first snowstorm of the year, but it's a good one. I've already started shoveling. Guys, look at this. Look how I could barely open the door. Let me turn the camera around. Look at that. I shoveled this already. Still got a lot to go to the girl. Only a quarter did. It was hard to open the door, but the snow's still super fluffy. Still supposed to snow for another day, maybe a day and a half. It's freezing outside. I should have brought my gloves. How could I forget? But it's so beautiful. I love snow. I finished shoveling and it's already back, the snow. Look at this. Even already over there where I have just finished. And let me show you. Look at how high the snow is. Like this metal, it's so high. Oh, my finger's frozen. It even snowed inside while I left the door open. I threw my shovel onto this rock. Turns out it's snow. And I'm not mad, because I love snow. Super happy. I mean, I will have to shovel this like every once in a while for the next day or two. But yeah, it's fun. Maybe we'll even do a barbecue with the grill in the snow. It's been a while. Me and my dad. Well, yeah. Second snow video I've ever done on Coin Kid. Yeah. Gotta go get that shovel. And yeah, see you guys later. Maybe I'll even add more to this video if I come back later. Happens to you when you lay down for 10 minutes in the snow. And also, my shoveling did nothing. Kind of annoying. But I enjoyed my time in the snow. I even had to dig through the snow to get my phone out of my pocket. And yeah, well, that's probably it for the video. Bye, guys. I can't even close the door. Got a bit of it. There. Not even fully closed. Hopefully the snow melts. Oh, wait. There's gonna be a big puddle soon. I shouldn't have left the door open for half an hour. Man, this is only half an hour. Maybe even less. Well, see you guys next time.